Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadev Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a square whose area and perimeter are equal. So we have to find the numerical value of its area. So let this be a square whose edges are given as ABCD. So ABCD is a square where edge length is equals A, right? Therefore, perimeter will be equals 4A units and area will be equals A square units, right? Now according to the question, perimeter equals area, therefore 4A will be equals A square, or A square minus 4A equals 0. So if we take A common from these two terms, so it will become A multiplied by A minus 4 equals 0. So the value of A is either 0, which is not possible, therefore the value of A will be equals 4. Therefore area will be equals A square, which is nothing but 4 square, which is 16 square units, right? So this will be our final required answer. Upon checking the options, we see that option D will be our final answer. Thank you and have a great day.